Paul with Salt Creek Steamers, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you the IOR solution on a carpet that looks on the surface very clean, but underneath you'll notice that they have pet stains pretty heavy throughout here due to an old pet that they have had for 15 years. So they want to just get it cleaned and they want the smell to go away. This is what normal carpet looks like under the blue light, something like that. You don't notice any protein or anything. And then you come over to a pet spot and you see it fluoresce. And that's a pretty big pet spot right there. All through here, by this dining table, real heavy through here. So we'll concentrate on that area pretty heavily. And just generally speaking, there's a lot of pet urine. So we're going to saturate the carpet pretty heavily with the IOR solution. That's step number one, after you've vacuumed, of course. Step number two is we're going to agitate the IOR into the carpet so that it can work, and it works right away. But we're going to saturate it a little bit heavier than normal because we want to make sure that we are getting into the padding. The tools that we're going to use for this job are right here. And I'm using a Rotovac for the extra suction power. It's not necessary. You can use just your wand. But I want to use the extra suction power to go over the areas that we wet. And there's my CRB. I'm going to apply it kind of thick, so there's going to be one spray episode and then another, because we want to make sure it gets down in there. They didn't want their table moved, so we're going to leave their table in place, but get as close as you can. Now let's see what this is starting to look like with a blue light on it. Okay, so step number two is to agitate. The next step is we want to spray with JOSR. And then we're going to use the CRB again. The JOSR acts as our preconditioner. Okay, real quickly we're going to agitate the bad areas again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the edges. Well, let's see the real test. Let's see if I can smell it. Oh my gosh, I'm shocked to say that I can't smell it. I'm going to try another spot over here. Let's try another spot. I'm seriously not smelling any urine there. So that's a good thing. And we're going to carry on. The smell is absolutely gone. And remember, when you're doing this, only use the amount of solution that you're going to need. I'm only going to be doing this one large room for now. And I mixed up too much solution, but you only need a little bit.